In this video series, we will perform a single computer installation of Xprotect Professional Plus. In this video, we will explore Xprotect Management Client and complete basic configurations. In the server's notification area, you'll find a number of Xprotect icons. These are the Mobile Server Tray icon, Event Server Tray icon, Recording Server Tray icon, and the Management Server Tray icon. The green symbols on the icons indicate that all services are running well. If an icon has a red or yellow symbol, you should take immediate action. Check the administrator's manual for further instructions. The Xprotect Management Client is an administration client to configure and manage an Xprotect VMS system. You can log in with the management client installed either on the server or elsewhere, typically on your usual workstation or laptop. In this case, let's open the management client that was installed on the Xprotect VMS machine. Double-click the Xprotect Management Client icon on the desktop. Because this is a single computer installation, the management client will automatically log on to localhost and suggest the same user account that we used for the installation. Select Sign In to log into the management client. If you are presented with a non-secure connection notification, it indicates that the Xprotect VMS server that you are trying to log into does not have a secure socket layer certificate installed to enable encrypted connections. As a result, you cannot connect using the HTTPS network protocol. Instead, you must allow a less secure HTTP connection. Select Allow to connect. First, let's configure some general settings before touring the interface. Select the Tools menu. Select Options. The Options dialog box has several tabs where you can manage a range of system settings. You assign most of the default system settings on the General tab currently displayed. We want to connect to a mail server. Select the Mail Server tab. In the Mail Server settings, you need to enter a couple of details to allow the VMS to connect to the mail server. I will enter the Mail Server settings. Select OK. The Site Navigation pane displays different nodes that you use to configure Xprotect VMS. Select the Devices node to expand it. Select Cameras. The middle pane changes depending on the node you select. In this case, the Devices pane appears. Here, you see the default camera group the installer wizard set up for you. Select the default camera group to expand it. The Properties pane is where you actually adjust configuration settings. This view changes depending on the current selection. On the Settings tab, we can change the common settings specific to the type of camera we selected. We have just completed basic configurations in Xprotect Management Client. In the next video in this series, we will explore site navigation in Xprotect Management Client.